Hi, in this part of the video, we're going to talk about step number 6 in the plan phase, which is determine the possible causes. And what we need to do uh, in effort of solving the problem, we need to identify what the cause of these problems. Effort has been centered on identifying the problem causing in the process. There are several techniques that we're going to discuss here today in this video, and that will help you to identify the root cause of the problem. These could be brainstorming technique, could be affinity diagram, cause and effect diagram, YY diagram, histogram, scatter diagrams, control charts, and the run charts. Starting with the first one or the first technique, brainstorming. It's very simple. Everybody using it these days. The brainstorming is an effective technique where you generate a list of problems, opportunities, or ideas from a group of people. So you have your team with you, you sit with them, and then they start thinking about how to solve these problems, and then everyone will generate based on their thoughts. Everyone present a decision should be participate. So if you are a group of people and you have a brainstorming session, everyone should participate and should generate some ideas. The discussion leader, should be a discussion leader, must ensure everyone is given the opportunity to say, to comment, and add ideas. That's the purpose. We need to hear everybody's idea. Any idea is a good idea. There's there's critical to brainstorming that there are no arguing, no criticizing, no negativism on any ideas, no evaluating of ideas, problems, opportunities. During the brainstorming session, all you need to do is ideas. We need ideas. Any idea would be a good idea. Do not argue, do not critique, do not evaluate, do not uh, uh, say anything wrong negatively on any idea. We need ideas. This session should be purely to generate ideas, and this is all we need. We need ideas. The result of the session will be a list of ideas, problems, opportunities to be tackled. And then once we have all these ideas, what we do, we sort them. Well, we sort them and we rank them. So here's a board that will show you some of the brainstorming session result. You can get together with a team. Okay, team, we need to work on this. What is your thinking? You start generating ideas, ideas, ideas. The more ideas you have, the best ideas, the best way to solve a problem. And the best way to have a brainstorming session is to have a sticky notes. You give sticky notes to everyone and you say, okay, here's a marker, here's a sticky note, write it clearly, and we need to see it. And again, this picture will represent uh, brainstorming, the result of the brainstorming. Again, no judgment, no evaluation. All we need to do is collect as many as we have ideas. Now, once we are done with generating ideas, what we do, we organize them. We need to organize them. And this is where the affinity diagram will come handy and will be very helpful to organize the output of the brainstorming session. We have a brainstorming session. We have great ideas. What we need to do is now organize them. This diagram will help organizations to problem solving and organize these ideas into particular categories. In order to do that, in order to create the affinity diagram, what you need to do, you need to follow these 6 steps, and these are state the issue. What is the issue that we're looking for? And then brainstorm and record ideas, which is the previous tool that we talked about it. Arrange the card or the sticky notes. Now we need to, or this is what we need to do it. We need to arrange them into similar topics. We need to arrange them into similar topics. This is related to people. This is related to machines. This is related to the environment. We need to arrange these cards according to similar topics. Name the name the piles by studying their content and developing a summary statement of the pile. And would be the heading, basically. This is what would be the title of the category. We need to name it, or you could write down a statement if you want to. Number 5, create the affinity diagram. And now then, once you create the affinity diagram, you discuss the ideas with the team and draw conclusions in order to solve the problem. Here is a sample of affinity diagram that will help you to organize these ideas. So we have a brainstorming, we have so many ideas, and now in order to organize them, we put them under each of these headings or these categories. Category number one would be this idea, this idea, this idea. Category number two, this would be this idea and this idea and this idea. So a very effective symbol and will generate ideas and solutions, maybe opportunities for us to improve the current situations and solve the problem. And the next chart we're going to talk about it is the Ishikawa diagram or the fishbone diagram. And I would like to make a special video on that diagram because it is really important, very helpful. So I want to give it a better attention and more details should be provided in the video. With that said, I'll thank you and I'll see you in another video.